2005 BMW 325i. I'm going to show you guys how to remove the cluster. This is very simple. It's got 1 and 2 screws that are T20. Looks like that. Take that one off, take this one off. Once you take it off, get something small like this and gently pry it out. And it should slide right out. Just like that. Now, the steering column, you can adjust right here, and then you can pull it out like that, so it'll give you more room to remove the cluster. Pull it out and slide it to the left. Now, if you look back here, you're gonna have 2 wiring harness like that. Now, to remove that, you need to, let's see if I can get a better angle. Push that tab and then slide that plastic clip out. So push it inside like that and then slide it out. The whole thing should come off. Same on this side right here. If you can see it, right there. Push that tab in and then slide that black plastic clip out, and the whole thing should come off. Very simple. Put it back in just like that. Put your 2 screws and that's it. You're good to go.